In the Golden Age, Dutch ships sailed to Africa. Their mission? Wealth and power. Today, we return. But this time, not to take, but to build. 10 million street children in Africa live without hope. We are building a new future. Through sustainable villages, we provide children with homes, education, and opportunities. Together, we bring change. With investors, we are creating the largest green enterprise ever, producing 8 billion trees and plants in 10 to 15 years. By partnering with major markets like the UAE and Saudi Arabia, we build a sustainable future for businesses and children alike. Our ambition is big, just like our impact. By growing bamboo for CO2 certificates and supplying high-quality plants, we enable profit for investors and hope for millions of children. This is the VOC spirit of the future. Together, we can write a new history. Invest in a world of growth, opportunity, and hope. Teeninga Foundation, the VOC of the 21st century. Not to take, but to give.